Today we're going to talk about how people can use coupon codes to get discounts on the checkout pages of different web stores, which is a great way to save money. So you may be asking yourself, what exactly is a coupon code? A coupon code, or some may refer to it as a promotional code, is a digital coupon. Now let's break that down a little. Instead of using a paper coupon, you use a code provided when completing a purchase online. There will be a section available on your shopping cart checkout page asking you to enter a coupon code if you have one. Input the code, then continue with your online purchase as usual, and the discounts will be automatically generated. Keep in mind that, like printed codes, coupon codes may have expiration dates and conditions, so read the fine print. Happy shopping!